well, then your half the task of work-life balance solves. Because I know that if we need to eat a food, we have in our mind that by this time I need to eat my food. So half of my work already get finished up, or my mind get make up accordingly. Creating a work-life balance is essential these days, because for maintaining personal and professional front. And to establish an equilibrium, if I talk about, it's crucial to set boundaries first, because these days I see many youth who are doing jobs. They do work day and night, and their only objective is, ma'am, I need to finish my target. So try to fix your boundaries and prioritize self-care. First and foremost, this is the thing. And it's important to establish a schedule that allows for dedicated time, both for your work and for your personal things. Which includes, it could be have a realistic goal. Sometimes we thought beyond our realistic part, and managing that time effectively to avoid overworking and obviously overloading. Additionally, integrating regular exercise could help you out in this. Have some leisure activities. These days, we are focusing on our personal lives more, on our personal space more. Nobody wants to sit with their family. Nobody wants to have a leisure time with their family. So we are missing all these things. And your daily routine should be have a recharged and a maintained healthy lifestyle. It also have to have a vital practice of stress management techniques such as mindfulness, relaxation exercise if you can take, or a simple thing, take break from your routine. Like after 2 hours, if you're doing something, just stand and go and have a drink water. You will be surprised. I too have to have a kind of a thing in my digital watch that after 2 hours, I have to take a sip of a water. Because once we did something or we have started doing anything, so we just lose the control of everything around us. So we need to have a controlled mindset for our personal well-being, and which is the essential part these days. You cannot go too ahead and have an harmonious work-life balance if you will not going to balance all these things. And obviously, if you'll balance all these things, so your productivity, your happiness, and it will going to enhance the entire mindset of yours.